Go.
Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and look at what I've been doing in the kitchen. I have been cooking. You know why? Because my grandson's here. My wonderful grandson who loves my good cooking is here, and we're making him some good food today. It's cold and wet and everything outside, so we need some comfort food. So y'all look, country fried steak, also known as cube steak, tomatoes, green beans, my ugly biscuits, and my homemade gravy. All that is almost ready. It's almost the perfect plate. If y'all like meals like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you love your grandkids like I do mine, give me a big old heart, okay? Because anyway, this right here we're celebrating today, even in this messy weather. So y'all, we got one more thing to put on this plate that is one of my grandson's favorites, and it is macaroni and cheese. If you got like macaroni, let me know. But I'm going to tell you, I've got a recipe for macaroni and cheese in here. And Happiness is Homemade, y'all, and it's available on Amazon. This is on sale right now. Tried and true family recipes. Y'all get on there and order it for your kids, for your whoever cooks, whoever likes to eat. They will love the recipes in this book. Okay, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. A big sale right now on Amazon. All right, what I got to do right now is get the mac and cheese going. So here we go. This is my quick version that I've never even written the recipe for. Y'all ready? Here I go. Okay, I've got the mac and cheese. Here it is. This is a pound of it. And now I've got to drain it. Y'all want to come look at me draining it? Woo, Nelly. Woo, it's hot, baby. All right, I'm going to drain it for just a second. And put it back in my pan. There we go. Now let me tell you how easy this is to do. I'm not making the roux and putting the cheese in it like I normally do in my other recipe. This one right here is my quick version, so I'm going to drop in a whole stick of butter. You can't go wrong with that, right? I'm going to break it in a few pieces because this heat from this is going to melt it really well. Drop a few pieces and get it going. Let me wipe my hands. Okay, now at some point we're going to taste this because you got to see if you got enough salt in it, okay? I salted the water real heavy, but you know, sometimes it still needs a little extra salt. And my glasses are fogging up, can y'all tell? All right, so what I'm going to do now is put in about 3 cups of cheese. This is cheddar jack, so, and it's a mixture of cheddar and jack, so I'm pouring that in there. And then I'm going to see if I need any milk. This is what it looks like. This is Wyatt, my grandson's favorite mac and cheese. There we go. Oh my goodness, y'all. Don't you want a bite of this mac and cheese? I think Wyatt does. He's the one holding the camera. Y'all give him a hand. Say, hey, Wyatt. He's the one directing me this morning. All right, I think I need a little milk. Now, I took this milk out of the refrigerator and I let it come to room temperature. If you don't want to do that, you can heat it a little bit. And y'all like my antique measuring cups? I love them. Okay, this is what we're doing. How's it looking, people? Oh my goodness, y'all, get in here, Wyatt, and show this. Look at that. Now, y'all, I know you want a bite, and I know Wyatt does, so I'm going to give him a bite and let him see if it needs salt or what. Or pepper. Okay, this is very hot, Wyatt, all right?
All right.
Okay, there you go. You just take it in your hand, and I will go show them what's going on the oven. Y'all, look, this is what I cooked today. I've got my green beans going, and they're all spiced up and looking good. And look, y'all, Wyatt helped me make these. These are cube steaks, and this is his first time cooking them. So look at those gorgeous cube steaks. And then Wyatt also made the gravy. Give that a stir, Wyatt. His first time to make gravy as well. And he made my ugly biscuits. So let me show you about my ugly biscuits. I just flipped them out. These are wonderful. If you hadn't tried them yet, you need to. All right, Wyatt, tell me what we need. Tell me what we need. Did you taste of it?
I did. It needs a little bit of salt.
Look at my handsome grandson. Isn't he the cutest? I know it. Let's do a little salt. Okay, I'm gonna put a little in here. All right. Just a little, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any pepper? You want pepper in it?
A little bit.
Okay, grab the pepper over there. Ooh, yeah. He knows what he likes on the cooking. All right, now y'all know how I do. Sometimes I'm real particular, and sometimes I just do this. All right, we're gonna stir it up. And I'm telling you what, I love to cook stuff for my grandkids, and Wyatt loves to eat good food. And this is the only thing missing from his plate right now, is this big heaping helping of macaroni and cheese from his gnocchi. They call me gnocchi. Y'all tell me what your grandkids call you. He calls me, all of mine call me gnocchi, N-O-K-I. Let me move this out of the way, and Wyatt's gonna do the taste test. Okay.
Taste test.
Yes. How's that mac and cheese?
It's delicious.
Now try the steak, the cube steak, and all that good stuff, and my biscuit. And cut me a bite too, and I'm gonna find me a fork and eat a bite myself. Cut me a bite, did you?
It is delicious.
Makes me happy, happy, happy. Okay, I'm gonna do one bite. Ooh, this is a big white size bite, but I'm gonna do what I can. Oh man. This will cure what ails you on a day like today. Let me get a few of these macaronis. Yay! That is so good. Y'all, I got my mouth full, so I can't say anything. Go ahead and talk, Wyatt.
So, it's very good, and that's about it. Good view of it. Happiness is homemade.
Happiness is homemade, y'all. Me and Wyatt and my wonderful husband David are going to go eat now. Y'all have a really good day. Share this video. And let me just tell you, the good Lord loves you, and I love you too. And y'all go have a good day and make you some mac and cheese, some good old cube steak, and some gravy. You're going to be happy. And don't forget the ugly biscuits. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.
See y'all.